Hey guys, it's Stead Mondays here with my very first YouTube video, and today I'm going to build a PC. Now I'm not going to build the PC on camera because I don't really have that good of a camera, but we are going to go over my parts real quick, and I'm super excited to get this on going. That way I can upload better videos and keep you guys informed. So obviously starting off with the motherboard first, you got the Asus Strix B550 F Gaming. Future proof, basically ready to get the CPU, all the RAM. It's got a Gen 4 slot for my M.2 drive. I don't have a Gen 4 M.2, but I do have a Gen 3. I can change that in the BIOS, I know, once I get it all booted up. Moving on to the big boy GPU, the 3070. This is my first build ever, and yes guys, I'm starting off big with the 3070. With the B550, I'm ready to get this started. So let's move these out of the way and go to the CPU. So the CPU is a Ryzen 5 3600 XT. Real excited to have a Ryzen build, mainly just because they're super easy to use. It's already got the stock cooler in with it, and the Fiance bought it for me. If you're wondering why I'm having such a crazy build, my very first build, is because my Fiance bought me this, the motherboard, the RAM was bought by mom, and the power supply was bought by grandma. So really the only capital I have in this is the big boy 3070. Like I said earlier, here's my M.2 storage, 1 terabyte, Gen 3, Western Digital. Gonna go with a 2 by 8 gigabyte at 3600 megahertz, RGB of course. Adding an extra RGB 140 millimeter fan in the back of my Fiance case. As you can see, I got the Fiance P500A. Super excited about having this one. Just an overall clean looking case. 3 RGB fans in the front. Plenty of room to work with, which I'm really excited about getting because it's my first build ever. I need as much room as possible. And finishing off with the 750 watt Corsair power supply. So these are all of my parts that are going into my build. And if you're actually watching this right now on my YouTube channel, I probably already edited this video with this PC that I'm about to build. So appreciate you guys watching, and I'll let you know how it turns out. Thank you.